For the gang, for the gang. Nima Shakura, for the gang, for the gang. For the gang, for the gang.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Foodie Gang YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the popular Meru porridge. Okay, so this porridge is called Oturobwa Bukia, and this porridge is very popular in the Meru culture. Kama you've gotten a child in the Meru culture, it's so common, or it's actually something very nice to bring that osoro, or to just make that osoro for your we call them ntomononi. And tomononi is just someone who's gotten a baby recently, and they're in that 1 month phase of just recovering. So this porridge is very, very good and very nutritious for a person who's just had a baby, and it really helps with milk production. So there are two ways to prepare this porridge. One way is the Kirurio way, and the other way is preparing that porridge, cooking it, putting it in a gourd, then it will be drunk during the days. So today I'll be showing you the Kirurio way. Kirurio. So this porridge here was sent from Meru, and it was handmade by my mom. And this porridge has taken like 2 days in my house. We've cooked maybe like 2 times. It was delivered 10 liters. So when this porridge stays like 3-4 days, you'll find it has fermented a lot. And if you don't want it to be that much fermented, what you do, drain some water because it will decant a bit. Drain the top water, then replace it with an equivalent of fresh water. That way it will lessen the fermentation. Before you pour the porridge into a sufuria to cook it, make sure you shake it well. Shake, because if you don't shake well, the flour will have settled at the bottom, so you'll end up cooking a very light porridge. So just like when cooking any other porridge, you need, once you put it in a sufuria and place it on medium heat, you need to continue stirring slowly, continuously. If you stop a bit before it thickens or it starts cooking, it will form, I don't know what they're called in your tribe. In my tribe we call them makindi. So they'll form so many to makindi. So once the porridge is ready, you can add your sugar to your liking, and it's time to enjoy this osoro. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share.